In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and account.squarespace.com. We'll start right at the source. Open your browser and head to Squarespace's Create Your Website page. This landing page is a helpful entry point, even if your site already exists, because it puts all the key navigation within easy reach. Make sure you're signed into the correct account so you can access your sites without interruptions. Next, look for the Account Dashboard option. You'll usually find it at the top of the page or in the main navigation. Click it to open your centralized hub. The Account Dashboard is where Squarespace groups your sites, subscriptions, and settings, so it's the best place to jump directly into site management without digging through multiple menus. Inside your account at accountsquarespace.com, locate the section labeled Website and click it. This area organizes your website-related tools and any sites tied to your login. If you manage multiple projects, this step helps narrow your view to the website workspace you want. From there, you'll see your site cards. Click the site labeled Website to open its configuration area. If you're working with several sites, double-check you're selecting the right one before proceeding. The thumbnails and titles can look similar, so a quick glance here saves time later. With the correct site open, click Edit. This moves you into the visual editor, where you can make design and content changes in context. The editor shows a live preview of your pages, so as you adjust settings, you'll immediately see how they affect your layout. Now, hover over the top of your page and choose Edit Site Header. The header editor is where you control global elements like your logo, navigation, buttons, and commerce icons. It's a focused panel that lets you adjust items that appear across your entire site, keeping things consistent. Inside the header settings, find the cart icon. Select the cart, then choose Remove Cart to delete it. When you do this, the cart icon disappears from your header. This change affects your site's global header, so it will no longer appear on any page that uses the same header layout. This removal only affects the icon's visibility. It doesn't delete products, orders, or other commerce data behind the scenes. A quick note on context. If you're not actively selling, removing the cart helps keep your header clean and focused. If you are selling, be mindful that taking away the cart icon removes a familiar entry point to checkout from your header. That's it. You went from the Squarespace Start page, into your account dashboard, into the website section, opened your site, entered the editor, adjusted the site header, and removed the cart icon.